Can you believe it? It's been on a quarter century. The People's Court is airing daily starting this week on our sister station, Casa Fox 2. And joining us this morning is the judge, Judge Milian, to talk about 25 years wielding that gavel. You've been doing it 8 years, Judge, and certainly it has to be a lot of fun doing what you do.
Oh, it certainly is. I love my job, I have to tell you. Not only do I get to say what's on my mind, but people actually want to hear what's on my mind nonstop. You know?
And I know you used to watch it back in the day at Georgetown when you were going to law school. And what is the appeal of this show? What's the appeal?
You know, I think that the appeal is when you have the right mix of education and entertainment, and people want to learn something and figure out how they can avoid the legal pitfalls they watch the litigants tripping over. How can I avoid it in my life, and how can I, for example, as a tenant, leave that apartment in a way that I know I'm going to get my security deposit back, or how can I look out for certain things in cell phone contracts that I sign. They want to learn something where they can live their lives a little bit better and be entertained while they're learning how to do it.
Well, how do you take that? How do you take their cases seriously, because these are real people with real problems, yet have a little fun with it? I suppose there's that fine line you have to walk.
The way my grandmother used to. Well, you know, I mean, there's a certain humanity to being a judge, and when I was on the bench in Miami, I had, you know, really sad to say it isn't that different. I mean, that really is the way I deal with people, because I think that you can reach people in many different ways. One is to yell at them constantly, which I don't think is very effective. And another way is through humor and through trying, you know, there's just different ways, because judges are human. And if they try to reach people through those different ways, I think that you're probably more successful at doing it. And let's face it, a lot of what the litigants are telling us is pretty funny, and they pretty much realize it.
Do you feel there's pressure on you to make the right decision, or do you have, obviously you're not going to send people away to jail or anything, but do you want to make sure you get this thing right?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, that's just second nature to somebody who's judging, whether it's on television or in a courtroom in a particular city. And sometimes, you know, my producer's not very happy about that, because he'd really like me to get this done in 10 minutes, you know, and a couple of commercials. And he would like this to move on, and he would, you know, of course we edit these cases, but sometimes I'm really grappling, and it takes me a while to figure out what the right answer is, because I really have to go through a ton of evidence. So it sets our production schedule off a little bit, but mercifully I work with great people who get it, they get me, they understand it, and they never, ever, you know, pressure me in any way in that regard. I just don't let it happen, but they wouldn't try either. I'm very blessed.
All right, well, 25 years of the People Court, and you can see it on Casa Fox 2 weekdays at 1. Judge, thank you so much for being with us, and have another fun year.
Thank you.